are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me.
Welcome back to Julie Jules World, where creativity begins. Let's go ahead and get right into our tutorial. So, this project today, we're going to make a DIY all-in-one paper towel kitchen caddy. And so the items that you're going to need, majority of them are from Dollar Tree. So you will need a wood crate, 2 pack wall shelves, and you're going to need two orders of them, 2 separate orders, because you're going to need 3 of them. 2 comes in a pack. Also another wall shelf, just one of that. You need some craft sticks, paper towel holder. You're going to need some caulk, and this is to fill in those holes in there. And then you're going to need some white paint and some black paint. And you're going to need your hot glue gun as well as wood glue. All right, let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. I went ahead already and paint my wood. So I paint this white. Also want to show you this is what it looks like when I use the caulk. I plug those holes up. It looks way better. First thing I want to do is go ahead and get your crate. You can get another one of these smaller shelves, and then we're going to be attaching this together, like so. It's going to be looking like that. So let's go ahead and glue that on here first. Okay, so with the popsicle sticks, we're cutting out 2 craft sticks, and we are going to be cutting it in the shape of this. Okay, so you're going to take that and then you're going to draw out a slant like that, and then you're going to be cutting that out, those 2 pieces out, and you're going to cut out 2 of them, and we're going to be putting those right here like that. We're going to do the same thing for the other side, so let's go ahead and do that. The other side as well. So it should now look like that. Okay, both sides. Once that's finished, let's go ahead and put that aside, okay? So let's go ahead and get our other wood and placing them right here. Then we're gluing it down all the way to the edge. And hold it down a little bit. And we are going to be putting our other one right here. But before we put it down, we want to make sure we're going to be cutting. You're going to get some more wood sticks, and then you're going to need about 6 of them to cut it into this length, 3 3/4 of an inch long. And you're going to cut 6 of those. Before I place it in this spot, guys, I want to make sure it's even out. It stays right here. So what we're going to do is mark that spot. Yep. And so that's where you want to sit it, okay? So let's go ahead and glue that down. Put a little bit of wood glue right there. And so we're going to go ahead and put our sticks on there. And then you're going to put another one over here and line it up. And then another one right up here. And then we're going to do the same thing for the other side. It should now look like this. Okay, you should have both sides in place. Let's go ahead and position this is where the salt and pepper shakers is going to be in. Let's go ahead and put this piece here like that. I'm going to glue that in place. I want it to go all the way to the edge. So I'm sitting on the edge. So far, this is how it looks. It's beautiful so far. I love it. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get a paper towel holder, and I paint mine's black. Kind of going for that farmhouse kind of look. We're gonna place this right in the center here, and it fits just right here. It's like a perfect fit. And we're going to slide it in there, and then we're going to glue this in place as well. And make sure it's positioned like this, okay? Straight in the center. And let's go ahead and glue that in place. What I'm going to do is put the wood glue first and just put it around here, and then place it down. I'm going to leave a mark. I'm going to press down, let that wood glue leave a mark there so I can see where I need to put my hot glue in place. So that's what I'm going to do for that. So I'm going to slip this straight in there like that, and I'm going to center it there. That helps, and I'm going to press it down, and then it's going to mark it for me. There we go. And so that helps. And so I'm going to know where I need to put the glue. Just hold it down for a minute. Already. That's how it looks so far. Before I fill it up, I want to show you how I did this rustic kind of look to it. I think that looks so good. I love the way that looks. And so I'm gonna do it on this side so I can show you guys how I obtained that look. If anyone is interested, so I use the black paint, a stick, one of those smaller wood sticks, and I kind of dab it, and then I press it down, just to flatten it out. And I just did one of these. Just dab it again. I just get very light-handed with it. I'm not heavy-handed at all. I just want to show you guys that if anyone is interested in this farmhouse look. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up. And we are finished with our project. Look at the results. Isn't that beautiful? It came out so good, y'all. Look at this. Let me turn it around. I add salt and pepper here, and then I divided. I actually cut out three of these craft sticks, and I cut them out about this size. Of course, you have to line it up and make sure it hits the corners of the crate. And I cut it out that size, and I glued 3 of these together, and then I put it in there to separate it, to make a divider. And I put the spoons in here, and then you have the salt and pepper. And then just turn around. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? And I have some napkins and your paper towel. All around, guys. Let's get a good picture of it. I love it. Isn't that beautiful? This paper towel holder. It's beautiful. It looks beautiful. You can just pull it off of here. I love it, guys. I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please share as much as you can. This will really help me, and it will help me to bring more videos to you. That way everyone can enjoy it. So please share, comment, subscribe, and thumbs up this video. Please make sure you thumbs it up. All right, and you guys will definitely see me in my next video. Isn't this gorgeous, guys? Oh, I love this. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Love the way it turned out. Thank you for watching. Bye, my YouTubers.